Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this VIZIUI 2K home security camera. Here is a quick start guide. Here are stickers that allow you to go ahead and mount this on like a ceiling or wall. So taking a look, here is the camera. It would mount on a ceiling right here or like on a wall right here. And you've got this USB-C port right here. You've got these two antennas for Wi-Fi connection. You've got the speaker in the back right there for that siren or also just to talk through the camera. And you've got the microphone down here. There is a nice waterproofed area here for putting in a micro SD card to save your footage. You've also got a reset button. You've got the actual camera, and as you can see, that can really go a wide range right there. It can also rotate basically all the way around, so you can get a really good field of vision. Looks like there's a light around here. This is probably that spotlight. And then you got the actual camera right here, probably infrared sensors well hidden around there. Also in the box, we have these 3 drywall hooks, 3 screws. We've got this USB-C to USB cable, and we've got this wall brick. I went ahead and scanned the QR code in the instruction manual, got the Cloud Edge app.
Connecting, please wait a moment.
Now it's connecting, the camera just beeped, so that means it's probably found it. Alrighty, connection successful. I'm taking a look there. You can see me in the camera. Not too much of a delay, and the quality is great. So taking a look here.
You hear the volume.
I'm gonna go ahead and mute that, but you can hear it coming out of your phone, obviously. You can hold the talk. Testing. So I am currently recording a video right now. Panning, you can pan the camera, have it go up and down. You can set the amount of motion that you want. I usually have it on the lower end so that like trees and stuff won't set it off. Siren. There is a look at that light, so it's super bright. It'll really light up the area very nicely. Overall, I am super impressed with this camera. I really like the panning and zooming options. I haven't really seen that in any other camera. And it's really capable. So if you set this up in a nice unobstructed area, you can really get full range view of your yard. So overall, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.